How do those devotees who are so concerned with Krishna's seva that they neglect their bodily necessities survive? I mean, that's a real high-class Mahatma, just all day long in a cave chanting. Or Madhavendra Puri took a vow, he said, I don't care about eating or drinking. I'm just going to sit on the banks of Govinda Kund. I'm going to look towards Giriraj and look towards Radhakund and Varsana Nandagram Yavat, facing north. I'm on the south side of Govinda Kund. And I'll drink a little water from Govinda Kund. I'll take a bath there 3 times a day. And I'll just do smaran and chant and worship Krishna. I'll just live on the sunshine and the Govinda Kund water, bus, and prana. And Krishna's thinking, oh, this is not enough. You need at least some milk, 1 liter of milk, cow's milk. So then every day Krishna came, Gopal came, gave him 1 liter of milk. How do they survive? Waham Yaham, Waham, Krishna, Gopal Waham, Gopal Dud Waham Yaham. Krishna carried the Dud as Gopal and gave every day to Madhavendra Puri Bad. This is his Bhaktavatsalya. Krishna says that he takes care and he serves them by carrying what those Mahatmas lack and preserving what the Mahatmas and great devotees have. Krishna sees the bodies of his great devotees as extensions of his own body. The devotee's body is Krishna's own body. Although Krishna is indirectly the Gopta, or he's the Palana, Jivan Palana, Sarva Bhuta Palana. He's the maintainer of everyone. God is maintaining everyone. That's true. However, in addition to that, he especially and directly, personally cares for his devotees. Krishna personally cares for his devotees directly. And he cares for and maintains all the jivas and all the humans through the mayak energy and the devatas. So that's indirect and that's not personal. That's his arrangement of the prakriti and the devatas for everyone else. He's the maintainer. Krishna uses the word wahami, I carry, rather than karomi, I do, to kick out the idea that Krishna maintains the devotees through an agent other than doing it personally. Because for all the birds and human beings and everybody that's not a Krishna Bhakta, Krishna maintains them, gives them air and water and food and light and keeps their heart going and everything, indirectly, through the devatas and through the Paramatma and through the material energy itself. So that's the karom, I do. But for my bhakta, it's waham. Waham, waham means waham means I carry, I do. I carry deliberately, personally. Vishwanath says that Krishna does this just like the householder, Grihastha, carries the burden of maintaining his wife and children. In carrying the burden, or in other words, taking care of his devotees' maintenance, Krishna is not burdened and not labored and disturbed by this labor of love. Neither does Krishna's devotee ask him to provide for them. The devotees of Krishna simply try to serve him and love him, and as they enter into a union of love with Krishna, Krishna maintains the devotees as though his devotees were his own bodily parts. In his commentary on Vedanta Sutra, Part 3, Chapter 4, Verse 44, Baladev Vidyabhushan quotes this verse, Gita 9:22, and gives a similar discussion. To further stress unalloyed devotion to Krishna or himself, Krishna continues his discussion of different types of worship. That's why I said there's Devata worship and there's Yajna and Pujas and all these things. And in the middle of that, he's dropping, every once in a while, yes, they worship the demigods, yes, they want to go to Swarga, they worship different devatas, but my pure devotees are like this. So we're hearing about all the ordinary people, and 99% of the people are karmakandas and worship Durga and Shiva and Indra and Surya, everyone. Great. That's wonderful. And Krishna is speaking about their puja and their worship in this chapter 9 and elsewhere. But then he interjects every so often, but my Mahatmas, but they're with the Daivi Prakriti, not with this Maya Prakriti. Like this. In doing this, Krishna answers the possible doubt of Arjuna. Arjuna may doubt, "Oh Krishna, but as there is really no other God than you, those who worship Indra, those who worship Durga and Shiva and other gods, they're also your devotees as well. So why should they go to heaven and return again, whereas other devotees attain you?" And then, because the next verse, Krishna says, "Those who worship other gods with faith, they actually worship me, but they do it improperly." Anyway, it goes on.